Get excited about the 2011 Toyota Camry. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, air conditioning, telescoping steering wheel, power door mirrors, an overhead console, and power windows. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, knee airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We pride ourselves in the quality that we offer on all of our vehicles. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.